it's crazy. Like on the auto repair side, like it's been doing really good. I can say right now, like probably 40% of my business comes from Instagram. And it's local, and it just comes with doing information. You gotta do reels, you gotta do reels, and it's not about like forget about like, oh, $10 off today on this. Like, don't do that. Do information, like for example on the auto side, like I talk about like this is how you do this, and then today we had this, and then today we had that, because sometimes I'm also teaching people how to do it themselves. And if I'm teaching someone how to do something, at some point, if they do it wrong, they're probably gonna come with me, because like, well, no one else is really talking about what he's talking about. So it's not, when I do a reel, I don't expect all the customers to come in right away. I'm planting the seed, because sometimes it takes more than 7 times to get a customer in the door. Maybe they hear about you, or maybe there's good reviews, but there's still something that they don't trust you.